Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact WhatsApp number and which Google account or Apple ID holds the backup. This matters because you will sever that link. Once done, open WhatsApp and go to Settings quickly. Do this now. Make sure you are on a stable network and that your device is unlocked. Otherwise, the app may not show account options. If you want to keep messages outside the cloud, export important chats first, because removing the backup account will stop future cloud copies. You now remove the backup link in the platform account. On Android, open Google Drive, navigate to Settings, Manage Apps, find WhatsApp, and choose Disconnect. This prevents new backups. On iPhone, open iCloud Settings, Manage Storage, find WhatsApp backup, and delete it. This deletes cloud copies. Once you've done the platform-side removal, return to WhatsApp settings, tap Chats, then Chat Backup to confirm no cloud account is listed. Make sure to toggle off automatic backups if you want no. Finish by choosing your preferred backup behavior. Set backups to local only or link a different account within WhatsApp settings. This ensures continuity. If the old backup still appears, sign out of the Google or Apple account on the device, reboot, then repeat the removal steps. This clears cached associations. Make sure you retained exported chat files before deleting cloud backups, because deletion is often irreversible. If you later need the backup, you can restore only from the account that held the copy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.